Hello and welcome to Christ Like. Today we are going to learn very as, as a coding software. This is very simple. We are just going to find out the sum of two or three. Just input, just input an integer and find the sum of using the C class. So without wasting my time, I have the code here, and the first option is just to save it as a C++ file. So save file, then you can choose a location, then maybe let's just name it test.c++. I see it and click on save. Now having the code there. The first code says what? Include IRS stream. That is the hashtag include windows.h. They are all very necessary. You can now use the using namespace std to talk about the spaces within the names. You now come to the function int main. Then this cout Gabi assignment /n depends that when you just come, the heading should be what? Gabi assignment. It's just decide. You can even remove that cout. It doesn't spoil anything. And we just want it to be a title. That's why we kept this in there. You now go to the end option. Then you bring your do. Then cout. Please input two integers. Then you end the line. So int number 1, comma number 2. So you want to find out the sum of two integers. So the first number we term it as what? Number 1, then number 2 with the hyphen. Then cout input first number, then /n. /n means it should go to the next line, or in other words, it's like when you press WhatsApp, that's what will happen. Then c in num1. So meaning this num1 that we defined here, we have now assigned the value of input first number as num1 and num2 as what? Input second number. So that is the c in. Then cout end line, cout end line. Okay, so from there, I think our next code is for us to cout /n. /n means return to first line. Please select option. So we are now bringing our code, writing cout 1 addition, 2 subtraction, 3 division, 4 multiplication, 5 exit. So this means that what? Addition, we have assigned number 1 or option number 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for division, 4 for multiplication, and 5 for exit, depending on what you want. Then cout option, then cin option. So we have defined that if option is equal to 1, it should int addition. So you see the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and all that we are now going to do. So when we say addition, it means you should add num1 plus num. Then you should cout or you should print the answer. Then else, if option equals 2, so if the person select option, it means it's subtraction, and subtraction means what? Num1 minus num2. Else, if it's option 3, is division. So division means you should do what? Num1 over num2 and all that. If it's 4, it's multiplication, so meaning you should multiply it. And if it's 5, you should assume it's invalid, so you should just what? Think invalid option. So this is a loop statement. So we said sleep 3,000, so meaning when it's able to run about 3,000, for this a looping code, so it will be keep on running until you are tired. So you just bring your while option is equal to 5. Just end your curly bracket, and this code, when you output it, when I just click on build and run, you see that. Let's wait for it. It's trying to build. So this is the output of it. So I don't know, something is. Let me enter one. Let me see. Hasn't finished building. So you can see the display is what Gabi assignment, and today's input integers and input first number. So as assuming, you see, integers can be either negative or positive full number. So assuming I just input enter second number, let's say 9. Now it says select option. So select option. So assuming I want to divide these numbers, I'll select what? Option 3. What? Then he said answer is what? 0. See, it doesn't actually accept it because they are using integers. We didn't use we use int. We didn't use the operation that will accept decimal, so it will just assume the answer is 0. And let's assume the same thing, 7 and 9. Now we want to add them 1. You see that answer is what? 16. And the same thing, 7, 9. Let's assume the answer is we want to maybe multiply it to 4. The 63. The same thing, 7 and maybe 9. Let's assume we want to subtract it. The answer is what? Negative. So let me change the number, maybe 6 and 9. Assuming I want to exit the code, I'll just press 5. Then the code is finished. So see that it will stop. Otherwise, it will keep on running. This is this. And when you run this code, you see that let's get your out. Thank you so much for your